Today is a big day. Hopefully it's a big day. I haven't been able to register the Miata yet because it doesn't have O2 sensors. So I've taken all the steps to rectify that. I've replaced the exhaust with a stock exhaust. Got that hanging right. But now I have to install the O2 sensors. These O2 sensors. This one is the upstream, and then this one is the downstream. So upstream should be pretty simple. Downstream, not so much. I gotta tear out the driver's side seat and the carpet, and then hopefully it is the right one and fits. But I'll also have to drop out the exhaust because this is a 95 exhaust, which didn't have the downstream sensor. So I'll have to take that to a muffler shop and have them tap a bung for me so I can put this in. But today, at least, I'm going to get the upstream one, and then the downstream TBD, but we're making progress. And this took forever to find, by the way. The downstream one, I couldn't for the life of me. It wasn't in stock anywhere, and then, yeah, I finally found it. So, let's get started. That was smart. That was really smart. See, you should crack the bolts before you lift the car. Otherwise, yeah. Yep, I did that. Let's try that again, shall we? No more stupid stuff. I hope. That was pretty stupid though. So here's what we're working with. You can kind of see it right there. They put a bung in there. What I'm really hoping for is that they didn't do something stupid like weld it in there. That would suck, and it would piss me off. Didn't do anything stupid. Came right out. So in case you're wondering, this is the Bosch 15330. That's the upstream O2 sensor. I got it on Amazon for about 33 bucks. The downstream is Bosch as well. And it's 13857 is the one you want. This one is about $102 on Amazon, which was the cheapest I could find. At AutoZone, it was like 130. Kind of steep for a stupid O2 sensor, but that's it. Downstream 13857, upstream 15330. Alright, it's always good to do a test fitting with before you put anything in. So here's the O2 port right here, just tucked really nice up against the firewall. There's really nice access all the way down. That's my finger is in the port right now. So there were some conflicting results on Amazon and even some of the forums of whether or not the Bosch 15330 had a long enough wire. So I was a little apprehensive about it, but I just test fitted it. So here we go. Alright, that's the port. Here's the connector. plenty of room. We'll just kind of tuck this wire up around here. It even has a mount for it, but we'll just zip tie it up against the firewall here. But it fits perfectly. If anything, it's got a little extra room, which is nice. Just, you know, not so tight in tolerances. But yeah, the Bosch 15330 fits like a gem. So here's the other thing about O2 sensors, right? So this is the bung that I pulled out. So it's standard bolt. You know, I just grabbed it with my socket between the wishbone. But you can't use a standard socket with an O2 sensor because you have the wires. And you can't use a spanner because the space is so constricted that you can't get your spanner in and torque it in. So you've got to get an O2 socket, which is basically, you know, it's a socket but it has a cutout where it allows the wires to slip through the socket and you can pull it down. I don't have one of those, so AutoZone will loan you one. So that's where I'm gonna go right now. So this is the part from AutoZone. You give them a $30 deposit and they give you a set of O2 sensor sockets. So this is what they look like. It goes right through the channel and you can lock it right in and then turn it. So you just get it on your normal ratchet. There you go. And then thread it through. Now you're ready to rock. Alright, I'm holding off on connecting it for right now. I just want to get it snugged in there first, and then we'll connect it and we'll see. Okay, so downstream O2 sensor is installed. It went a lot faster than I thought. But so here's the connector that goes into the wiring harness. Here's the O2 connector. So I'll get that slapped in, and then I'll be halfway to legal. So just turned it on and the check engine light was cleared. So that's got me thinking, should I go and try to get this thing smogged now? I thought that we'd have to have both O2 sensors to clear the check engine light, but it's cleared now and there's only one.
What? Only one?
I think I might just go try to get it smogged and see if it'll pass.
Okay.
I might not need the downstream.